on the occasion of the baptism of Queen Juana of Cebu in 1521. 1521, that means 503 years. Ferdinand Absalom give her an image of Child Jesus. He gave the image of Child Jesus to the queen. That marks the beginning of celebration of Feast of Santo Niño. From there, it is spread throughout the country and became so dear to us that the request of the bishops, the Vatican, and special permission to the Philippines to celebrate this feast nationwide on the third Sunday of January. That means more than 500 years that feast has been happening in the Philippines. During the feast of Santo Niño, let us discuss the celebration of the childhood of Jesus. Jesus made child likeness, not child distance.